Hello everybody, we are Nicole and Adrian, students of INSEuropa, and now we are going to explain our second day in Portugal, Interarms project. First of all, we got up at 7, then we went to school at 8, where we talked with our Erasmus partners until 9 when the first activity began. At 9, we go to class and we listen to a presentation about entrepreneurship.
Afterwards, approximately at 11:20, students and teachers formed groups with people from different countries, and then we started working on a project where we had to build our own company following specific steps. Finally, we visited Quinta da Velada, a very famous company that is dedicated to manufacturing wines and have a beautiful views and architecture. Thank you.